the Korean food.
Korean food? No, only meat, fry. Yeah, and vegetable.
Oh.
No rice.
No rice?
No,
Huh?
no rice.
Crazy.
They don't eat rice.
The husband is puti, no? French. The husband is French. The babae Indian. Ay, ano,
Korean.
So, may bata sila?
Malalaki na.
Just finish and run away.
Change the employer na.
Change already or?
Thank you. Finish up finish the, ano?
Still one more rice? I don't know.
Must finish the contract and find the employer.
Oh?
The one, the rest. I call Manol.
Ang kuha naman. Masama siya nga.
Pero po yan eh. Hindi kaya na na.
Grabe naman kaya eh.
She's stressed really. She's look like matanda.
Dati yung una niyang amo, yung mga resibo naman, isa-isahin talaga yan.
Talaga?
Tapos yung sukli ng Monday din, hindi mo pwede gamitin sa Tuesday. Iba-iba yan.
Before her employer, the first, because she will go back in Philippines right before, she don't want to for good. After that, how many months? Oh, years, no years?
Yeah.
Years, she come back to again. And then the first employer, all the receipt, you must one by one.
One by one.
And then, for example, Monday you go market,
And then?
the change don't touch that. That was for the Monday. Tuesday, you have a
Different.
change, all different though. Like that. So, we are lucky lang, the boss is
Yeah,
not the
that's
same.
Lucky na kayo.
Even,
You're lucky you're
yeah,
employer.
even though our boss is like for report, it's okay. At least,
My boss is for
it's not, actually my mom is
Even night time, she clean the toilet na.
sick the rest.
Grabe yun, amo niya.
Divorce na ito. Clean na talaga.
Before my employer, so before I go to sleep, mas vacuum. Before my
Oh,
employer,
yeah, my
but after that, so lucky lang. That's why I don't want to demand the salary, how much, at least, no question.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, you're right. Okay, enjoy your
Then you demand the salary, and then also the demand the work.
Yeah. Almost at 100, yeah. And then you know what? At 100, and then my job become so busy now. Just at 100 per month. And then after 2 days, tell me she's pregnant. Mom, no.
It's okay. Okay, ma'am, I'm happy for you. But in your mind,
Yeah, that's right.
Congrats man, congrats.
Because just 2 days, she tell me,
and
she
then,
give me
okay,
extra
don't
money.
worry. I finished my contract.
It's because not extra money, because this is our salary now, right? Because I follow the contract is before. That's why my salary is still 500. So she give 5,000. That's why she give me 100 more. So now it's 5,100. But after 2 days she tell me, this is. Tell me
How many months?
2 months. So on January, she had like winter.
Wala you finish yan din sa hula-ulo.
That's why.
Difficult the baby.
No, the boy
Newborn.
very close to her.
It's okay, that's like it, but newborn, bit difficult na.
Yeah, that's why I have experience before.
yeah.
This is trouble. Very trouble.
Difficult. Especially like that newborn, right? It's like a dangerous. Your responsibility.
That's right.
na very trouble.
Ayaw, ang sarap na pregnant. You can imagine, right? How? I will give you 100 because you have so work. You
So hard.
very
One,
love to the boy like that. And then see.